Dear student, we discuss pointer variables. What is pointer variables? How to define the pointer variable? How to declare the pointer variable? So this is the example. Int followed by asterisk variable name. So it is called pointer variable. Okay, this is the pointer variable. Type int means this pointer variable point to integer type variable. Okay, this is the normal variable. Int I equal to 5 means value of I becomes 5, but here you just see IP pointer variable, it store the address of I, it means it points to I, so IP points to I. So now IP points to I. So see the diagram. IP ampersand I means IP points to I. So printf statement, what is value to be printed by this printf statement? Because of IP points to I, or here star IP means value of I to be printed, means IP points to I and I value of I is 5, so value of I to be printed. Okay, star IP equal to 7 means value of I will be reflected because of IP points to I, so value of I becomes 7. Okay, this is the chart, see, so new value of I 7. IP ampersand j means now IP points to j variable. Okay, IP points to integer type variable j. Okay, if we put star IP equal to 7, this star IP equal to 7, this is the earlier assignment, but now what value to be printed by IP? Because of IP points to j, so value will be reflected, so value of IP having the address of j points to j, so value, if we put these statements, output of this statement 3 because of IP points to j.